Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to find the comments on Facebook. So if you want to find the comments on Facebook, which you have done but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you are already logged into your Facebook account. So if you are not logged into your Facebook account, then you won't be able to find the comments which you have done on people post pages or the post. Now this is the home page of Facebook. You just need to click on the option of menu at the very bottom taskbar, and from here you just need to click on the option of your name. So this is the profile page where you'll see the option of add to story, edit profile, or the three dots next to it. So click on the three dots next to it, and from here click on the option of activity log. So under the activity log, where you can view and manage your Facebook activities such as posts, tags, comments, and likes, and you can also move your post from your profile to your archive and all of it. So to find the comment, you'll see the option of like, public posts, public tags, live videos, and all of it. So scroll from here and scroll towards the left side, and here you'll see the option of your comments. So click on it, and here you'll see the number of comments which you have done on it, and you'll be able to see it like this, and you'll also see the date according to it. So that's it. That's how you can find your comments on Facebook. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.